I know, because I'm not done. I could kind of look like a doo-doo crumb. But just give me 1 second. I'm going to do these last few sections. And then I'm going to try to put that shit in some little clips. Like, I have this little thing that might make it look cute. Just give me 1 sec. You want to see the other wig that I want to wear, that I actually want to wear with this? Only thing is I hate taking my wigs off. Like, that shit is so, like, oh, it's so annoying. I gotta get the alcohol with the cotton pad and the fucking... Ooh, I don't want to look like myself. What the fuck would I want to look like myself? You a rookie. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. Big ol' booty. Yeah, so bring it to me. Yeah, goody. I want some goody. You a rookie. Okay, here we go. Alright. Prop the swoop. Is the swoop propped? It's somewhat propped. Oh, I don't know what to do with this. It's not that great. I have to touch up a few parts. I don't know about this fucking housewife hairdo, but I'll show you the other wig. You want to see? I'm looking like Real Housewives of some location right now. Alright, let me show you. Oh, damn. Big old boo. Oh, fuck. Not this. This one. This is the one I want to wear, but I'm scared. It's kind of not the right color, though, too. Maybe I should do blonde. But this one looks fire. No, blonde's fine. We'll just do blonde. Actually, yeah, I fucked up. I'm just gonna keep this. Damn. My laptop is tripping. Can y'all see this? Can you see this? Look at this. When I put my